guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and comment. Also, for all my returning people, hey y'all, nice to see y'all. So today's going to be a different video. I'm going to teach you guys how to make the spaghetti that I make. So I make the most basic spaghetti in the whole wide world. Okay, let me just start by saying that you don't need to cut anything up. You don't need to do anything extra because I am one of the most basic eaters in the whole wide world. So therefore, if you are a basic eater, this tutorial will be the best for you. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm going to explain what I use to season, what sauce I use, the noodles, and also the beef, and I like it cheesy, so.
That right there, that shit fire.
So there you have it. Do you approve this message?
I highly recommend you guys make this spaghetti on your own.
When you bored or if you don't know how to cook, make this spaghetti and you're gonna like it. Don't forget to share with all your friends, because we should not be stingy. We should share my YouTube channel and the spaghetti, but mainly my YouTube channel.